Go in with a nice knob of butter.
A little touch of chives in there.
It just makes it a little bit more...
This is a highly complicated, scientific, incredibly advanced dish, scrambled eggs. Ooh.
The most important thing about any scrambled egg is stopping it from overcooking. Now, don't season it, because if you put the salt in now, what actually happens, it breaks down the eggs. And nice knob of butter.
With a nice knob of butter. In we go. And for me, the perfect thing to move the eggs around is a little spatula like this. So I'm just going to move it around.
I come back off the heat, back onto the heat.
And very quickly, you can see it setting around the base. You can see there's little cooked curds and the raw egg. This is cooked now, but you've got to remember that this pan is still warm and they're going to continue to cook. So all I do is when I get to this stage, I just put it to one corner of the pan, and that way it's not going to kind of overcook anymore.
Cooking doesn't need to go back on the stove. Cooking because the heat is in there. Half a tablespoon of creme fraiche. Brings down the temperature of the eggs. Now I'm going to season it. Look, I'm just going to put a little touch of chives in there. Again, just makes it a little bit more sexy.
On we go with our lovely, beautiful English-style scrambled eggs.
The perfect scrambled egg. Just pour your scrambled eggs over the sourdough bread. And there you go, a perfect scrambled egg.
We're going to use a frying pan. Go in with a knob of butter. Let's get that bubbling away. We're going to go in with the eggs. And as it starts to set, I'm bringing in these beautiful sheets. We want it to be gentle cooking, so it's a joy. So we're looking good, guys. Last but not least, there's something quite delicate but substantial about this. There's cooked parts that are delicate and sheety. Look at that. Scrambled American-style eggs. So tasty.
So all I'm doing is just cooking these over a pan of water. Just putting eggs in a bowl. I'm going to add about 20 grams of butter, a bit of milk, and the key ingredient, patience. Thanks. So I think if you have a look, they're just getting these lovely little kind of curds in there. We cook that until it develops this beautiful nutty characteristic, and that's called beurre noisette.
It smells wonderful, doesn't it?
Is the beurre noisette.
Oh.
And a few drops of sherry vinegar.
Fantastic.
Oh, wow.
It really is creamy.
There's like layers. Push your tongue through it and it's...
Well, that's amazing. It's really good. It's just creamy.
Yeah, it's just creamy. It's really creamy.
So delicious.
Delicious. So good. Worth all of that time.
Fantastic.